Working with reclaimed wood and metal opens a powerful creative door, allowing makers to transform forgotten materials into meaningful, high-value decor. But this journey demands a deep respect for safety, especially for those exploring new woodworking techniques. Reclaimed materials carry histories that are often invisible at first glance, and within those histories lie potential hazards that must be acknowledged before the first cut or weld is made. Old wood may conceal nails, screws, staples, shards of glass, or remnants of past finishes, while salvaged metal can harbor sharp edges, hidden stress fractures, rust, chemical residues, or structural weaknesses caused by years of wear. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. Approaching these materials without preparation can turn inspiration into injury, which is why safety must become an integral part of the creative process rather than an afterthought. Before any transformation begins, the act of inspection itself becomes a ritual of care, running hands slowly over surfaces, studying grain patterns, corrosion marks, and previous joinery, learning to read what the material has endured and how it might behave under modern tools. This mindset shifts woodworking from reckless experimentation into thoughtful craftsmanship, where every decision balances creativity with protection. As cutting reclaimed wood or metal introduces unfamiliar variables, proper handling and controlled movement become essential. Unlike new materials, reclaimed stock rarely offers uniform thickness or predictable density, meaning tools can react unexpectedly. A saw blade may catch on a hidden fastener, a grinder wheel may spark violently against hardened steel, or a drill bit may suddenly bind when encountering compacted grain or old welds. These moments are where safety awareness proves its value, encouraging steady posture, firm footing, and a deliberate pace rather than rushing toward a result. Protective equipment becomes an extension of the maker rather than a burden, shielding eyes from flying debris, lungs from fine dust and metal particles, and hands from abrasions that can occur in a split second. Dust from old wood, especially if treated decades ago, can contain substances far more harmful than modern lumber dust, making proper ventilation and respiratory protection not just advisable, but vital. Similarly, grinding or welding metal releases fumes and microscopic particles that linger in the air, silently affecting health if ignored, reinforcing the importance of working in well-aired spaces and respecting the invisible risks of the craft. Joining reclaimed wood and metal introduces its own set of safety considerations, particularly when experimenting with techniques that blend materials in unconventional ways. Fasteners, adhesives, welding seams, and mechanical joints must be chosen not only for aesthetic harmony, but for structural integrity, ensuring the finished piece can safely serve its intended function. A decorative shelf, table, or wall-mounted installation may appear solid, but if joints are stressed beyond their limits due to overlooked weaknesses in reclaimed components, the result can be failure over time. Understanding load paths, weight distribution, and the natural movement of wood as it expands and contracts becomes a form of safety that extends beyond the workshop into the home itself. This awareness transforms the maker into a responsible designer, one who considers how a piece will be used daily, touched by hands, leaned against, or placed in shared spaces where stability matters deeply. Safety here is not restrictive. It empowers confidence, allowing creations to be enjoyed without fear. Each project completed safely strengthens trust in one's skills, builds discipline, and deepens the connection to the craft. In honoring safety from start to finish, woodworking creators prove that beauty and responsibility are not opposing forces, but partners in meaningful design, allowing reclaimed materials to live again as stunning, functional pieces shaped by care, wisdom, and human touch. Building on this foundation, safety in reclaimed wood and metal projects also becomes a quiet form of respect for time itself, honoring the long journeys these materials have already taken before reaching the workbench. Many reclaimed pieces have passed through multiple hands, structures, and environments, absorbing stress, moisture, heat, and pressure that may not be visible on the surface. Approaching them with caution acknowledges that age brings both character and fragility, and that not every mark of wear is purely aesthetic. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. The emotional side of safety in reclaimed woodworking work is equally important, as it shapes how makers relate to their craft. Fear often arises when working with unfamiliar techniques, tools, or materials, but informed caution replaces fear with calm focus. Learning to pause, reassess, and adjust methods fosters patience and respect for the process, turning each project into a dialogue between maker and material. Mistakes become lessons rather than disasters when safety practices are ingrained, preventing minor errors from escalating into serious accidents. This mindset encourages experimentation within boundaries, allowing creativity to flourish without compromising well-being. Over time, safety becomes intuitive, woven into muscle memory, enabling makers to work confidently while maintaining awareness of potential risks. When makers slow down to test stability, clean surfaces thoroughly, and remove old contaminants before shaping or joining, they protect themselves while allowing the material's true qualities to emerge. This patient preparation often reveals hidden strengths as well as weaknesses, guiding decisions about where a beam should be cut, how a metal plate should be reinforced, or whether a fragment is better suited for decorative rather than structural use. Safety, in this sense, becomes a creative compass, steering each project toward its most appropriate and durable form. There is also a broader, communal responsibility tied to safe DIY practices, especially as reclaimed decor gains popularity through social media and online tutorials. When creators model careful behavior and thoughtful techniques, they influence others who may be inspired to try similar projects at home. Demonstrating safe handling, responsible tool use, and respect for protective measures helps normalize caution as a mark of skill rather than hesitation. This cultural shift is vital in a creative space, often romanticized as rough, gritty, or risk-taking, reminding audiences that true mastery lies in control, awareness, and consistency. By embedding safety into the narrative of upcycling, makers contribute to a healthier, more sustainable creative community where innovation thrives without unnecessary harm. Prioritizing safety also elevates the value of upcycled decor in the eyes of buyers and audiences. When a piece is crafted with care, not only in design but in construction, it carries a quiet assurance of quality and reliability. When safety is honored as an essential partner to creativity, each project becomes a celebration of balance between old and new, risk and responsibility, imagination and discipline. This balance allows reclaimed materials to be transformed not only into beautiful decor, but into symbols of mindful making, where every cut, joint, and finish reflects a commitment to well-being, longevity, and respect for both the craft and the creator. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.